I believe in God our Father, I believe in Christ the Son, I believe in the Holy Spirit, our God is three in one, I believe in the resurrection, that we will rise again, for I believe in the name of Jesus.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can beat the world, you can beat the
Hi, I'm Jenny Domingo Manzano, one of the trainee of Batch 8 NCMA here in Malaysia, Nursing Caregiver Management Alliance. Now, I'm here to present how to do a proper cleaning of feeding bottle and sterilizing, and how to do a proper burp of baby. Before I proceed, I will tell you the key points of proper cleaning and sterilizing. Key points. Clean and sterilize bottle feeding equipment after every feed. Clean equipment by washing with hot soapy water. Sterilize by boiling water. Store clean and sterilized equipment in a sealed container in the fridge. Cleaning bottle feeding equipment. It's important to clean the bottle feeding after every feed. You need to clean it before you sterilize it. It's best to clean equipment straight after your baby has finished feeding. Here's how to clean the bottle feeding equipment. First step, wash your hand with soapy water and dry with a clean towel. Second, wash all the bottles in hot soapy water. Third step, use bottle brush to scrub inside the bottles and teeth. Give particularly attention to the cap and screw to areas. This is where the bacteria are most likely grow. Fourth, rinse everything thoroughly. I will show you the video of proper cleaning of bottle feeding step by step. Proceed to sterilizing by boiling. Boiling is the simplest and most reliable way of sterilizing your bottle feeding equipment. Put the wash bottle's teeth, rings, and cap into the large pot. Fill the pot with water until everything is covered. Make sure all bubbles are gone. Put the pot on the stove and bring it boil at least for 5 minutes. Let everything cool in the pot until you can take it out with tongs or clean hands without scalding yourself. Shake off excess water. There's no need to dry the items. Store equipment you aren't going to use straight away in a clean sealed container in the fridge. Wash these containers every day with hot water and rinse with very hot water. Here's the video how to do the sterilizing by boiling. Now, we proceed to the next video presentation, how to proper burp a baby step-by-step guide. Getting a good burp out of the baby means they're letting loose the air that trapped in their belly. There are 3 ways how to proper burp a baby. 1. Over the shoulder. 2. Face down on lap. 3. Sitting up. Now, we proceed to number 1. Over the shoulder. Over the shoulder, it's gently placing baby over your shoulder and patting or rubbing her back to expel trapped air. Of course, this is done with a protective layer via a burp cloth. I will show you the video of over the shoulder. Number 2. Face down on lap. Face down on lap, sit on a stable chair or couch with both feet on the ground. Lay baby tummy down across your leg, one leg under his stomach and the other under his head. Again, with the burp cloth to avoid the wet burp. Use one hand to secure him and the other hand to gently pat or rub his back in a circular motion. Here's the video of face down on lap. Number 3. Sitting up. Sit baby in upright position. Lean her slightly forward and use one hand to support her chest and head, and the other hand is to rub and pat her back. This is done with a burp cloth. This is the video on how the proper sitting up burp.